Paraphrasing is when you rewrite something in your own words. It must include the author and year of publication. Paraphrasing shows your lecturer that you can find and understand part of a relevant reading and explain ideas in your own words. For example, here's an original text that you want to paraphrase. A significant finding of the study was that appropriate use of blogs and Facebook groups, if accepted by students as a learning tool, enhances students' engagement in learning activities of an academic nature on and off campus. Here's a possible paraphrase. When students are willing to use Facebook groups and blogs appropriately for learning, whether on campus or other locations, they are more engaged in academic activities. There are 3 main strategies for paraphrasing. Strategy 1. Change the order of the words. The part about on and off campus, which was at the end in the original, is now in the middle, and a part that was in the middle has moved to the start of the paraphrase. Strategy 2. Find similar words or phrases. Accepted has been replaced by are willing. If by when, and off-campus has changed to other locations. Similar words are called synonyms. When you use an online dictionary or thesaurus to find synonyms, consider how close the meanings are. For example, enhance could change to improve because both words are about change and the change is seen as better. But enlarge tells us that something gets bigger rather than better. So enhance and improve are closer in meaning. These small differences mean you need to check example sentences as you look up words. Strategy 3. Use different word forms. Engagement has changed to engaged, and appropriate is now appropriately. Engagement, engage, engaging, and engaged are all different word forms. You often need to make other changes when you change the word form. Enhances student engagement becomes they are more engaged. So check the word fits the sentence. To complete the paraphrase, add the original author name and year to show where the information came from. Compare the 2 versions carefully. Check the meaning of the paraphrase is close to the original. Now an example of inadequate paraphrase. Here's the original, and here's the paraphrase. It has similar words, different word forms, and the source, but the order is the same. Use a combination of strategies to paraphrase. In this example, the writer has also changed the order. Here's another example using all 3 strategies. Use paraphrasing for most of your references.